Welcome to All About Mars Space. Get ready to explore the amazing world of Mars and space with complete guidance. In this video, 2025, Perseverance Sol 4311 drills into a rock that could contain evidence of alien life, visits a site called Serpentine Rapids, and finds a miniature cave, along with lots of strange rocks. Perseverance is currently exploring an area named Bright Angel, situated in an ancient Martian riverbed, almost as big as the Mississippi. The area is full of bright rocks covered with parallel mineral veins, a sign that large amounts of water once flowed here. The rover has found a rock displaying features that scientists have nicknamed leopard spots. The team at NASA has named the rock Shava Falls. Up close, we can clearly see the spots, as well as alvine crystals. Some scientists believe these small spots with dark rings could be fossilized footprints of alien life. The team at NASA desperately wants to get a sample from this rock. First, the rock must be abraded to check its suitability for drilling. Perseverance uses its rock abrasion tool to see underneath the surface of the rock and steps back. The rock poses no harm to the rover and will likely remain stowed away in the wheel for some time. The patch is named Apollo Temple, as it coincides with the 55th anniversary of Apollo 11. There are no leopard spots under the surface here, but the consistency of the rock means it's suitable for drilling. The team at NASA orders Perseverance to get to work and take a core sample right away. The drilling goes smoothly, and Perseverance immediately snaps a picture of the sample in the drill bit. Miraculously, the sample contains a perfect record of the leopard spots when returned to Earth in the 2032s. This sample could be the first proof of extraterrestrial life. After storing the sample, Perseverance takes another look at the abrasion patch with its Watson camera. In some images, it looks like there's a mound of material protruding from the middle of the patch. You can also see a line of dots left by the rover's laser. Perseverance celebrates in the usual style by taking a selfie. Just behind the rover is the northern bank of Narvels, the ancient Martian river. Ken Farley, Perseverance project scientist, spoke about the findings. "We have zapped that rock with lasers and X-rays and imaged it, literally day and night, from just about every angle imaginable. Scientifically, Perseverance has nothing more to give. To fully understand what really happened in that Martian river valley at Jezero Crater billions of years ago, we'd want to bring the Shava Falls sample back to Earth so it can be studied with the powerful instruments available in laboratories. Perseverance takes a wide-angle shot looking downstream. The true scale of the 6-mile or 700-meter-wide riverbed is impressive. Just as Perseverance begins to leave Bright Angel, the team notices a very peculiar rock. It has big, round nodules covering almost the entire surface. The rover uses SuperCam to get a better look. Perseverance, we combined into a sequence. This sequence shows how Watson focuses automatically on the target. The resulting image hints that the features are likely to have been formed in a way similar to the nodules, just flatter. That's either through erosion or due to a layer of rock that once existed on top of them. The slightly raised mineral veins surrounding the blobs lend further credence to the theory that another rock or multiple rocks once existed on top of this rock. The mineral veins are where the gaps in the rocks above would have been. However, the blobs do bear a striking resemblance to mortar blobs typically used to lay patio tiles. The team orders Perseverance to drive away from the Bright Angel area and begin the perilous journey out of the Jezero Crater. The rover can't resist snapping pictures of more strange rocks on its way. The Bright Angel area has been a treasure trove of geological evidence of water. After a short drive, the rover takes a glance back at Bright Angel. Boulders transported by the river were buried by sediments, then eventually X'd or eroded, leaving behind these boulder-sized footprints. The rover takes more detailed imagery before getting out, you guessed it, Watson. However, the team at NASA has spotted something much more significant than the potholes. These white streaks are likely to be mineral veins, but if you look closely, you will see another pattern that looks like leopard spots. Before using Watson's autofocus, dust is blown away using the dust removal tool. These leopard spots don't have dark rings, like the ones we previously encountered, and are actually more similar to the marks left by iron-reducing bacteria on Earth. Are we looking at the footprints left by ancient alien life? Unfortunately, geologists don't think so. The spots are likely older, discolored remnants of the white spots produced by wind erosion. After confirming this with the Sherlock instrument suite, Perseverance returns to its main goal, getting out of the Jezero Crater. Perseverance rotates its arm to prepare for the abrasion. The abrasion goes smoothly. You can see the reddish dust being kicked up. The rover checks the abrasion bit for any damage. You can see the red dust all over the tool. Perseverance takes a picture of the patch, and the team at NASA is very excited. The patch reveals white, black, and green coloring. The unexpected drab green spots could, on Earth, result from iron-reducing microbes. Another mini cavity is also exposed. All the rocks we've abraded in Net Vallis seem to have this feature in common. The Watson camera is deployed, and NASA also wants the rover to use Sherlock and Pixel. However, according to NASA, unfortunately, there was not enough room to safely place the rover arm containing the Sherlock and Pixel instruments directly atop one of the green spots within the abrasion patch. So their composition remains a mystery. However, the team is always on the lookout for similar, interesting, and unexpected features in the rocks with the rover unable to further analyze the rock. It's time to get moving. This map shows the route the rover will now take, eventually heading out of the Jezero Crater. As we say goodbye to Net Vallis, these named areas on the map will have bedrock, like the Bright Angel Formation, which may hold clues to ancient life. Perseverance will stop and study these interesting places before leaving Jezero Crater for good. Thanks to our patrons for supporting this series. Please find the link to join the community below. you'll get early access to new videos and a host of other benefits. Click here to see the next episode. Thanks for watching All About Mars Space. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe.